Welcome back to our series on AI security. Okay, let's dive into this next crucial chapter.
Before we begin, just a quick note that this is part 9 of our 10-part tutorial, and it's all based on the comprehensive report from Virtualization Options LLC.
And this question, it just sets the stage perfectly for our topic today. Because even with the absolute best defenses, you still need sentinels on the wall. So let's start right there, establishing why monitoring is such a critical layer of security, one that goes way beyond just, prevention. This quote really gets to the core idea of this chapter. Detection is just as important as prevention. You absolutely have to assume that at some point your defenses will be tested.
All right, so let's move on and see how this builds by looking at the very first point of interaction, the user's prompt.
Effective monitoring isn't just one thing. It's a combination of automated techniques analyzing prompts in real time. And what's really interesting here is how you have this mix of simple and complex methods. You've got straightforward pattern matching for things like credit card numbers, but then you layer on sophisticated stuff like semantic analysis.
Let's just zoom in on semantic analysis for a second, because this is a brilliant example of how we're using AI to police itself. It's not just looking for keywords, it's actually understanding intent. It's about context, not just words on a page. But here's the thing, looking at just one prompt at a time isn't really enough. We've got to zoom out and look at patterns of behavior over time. And this is done through a process we call User Behavior Analytics, or UBA. It basically learns what's normal for each and every user. The UBA process follows these 5 pretty clear steps. It goes from learning and monitoring all the way to investigation and response if something seems, off. Now, all of this monitoring, you can imagine, creates a massive trail of data. So let's take a look at how we manage all of that evidence securely. A tiered retention policy here is absolutely crucial. You have to balance the need for those super detailed logs for immediate investigation with the long-term need to protect privacy by sanitizing and summarizing that data. But look, just collecting logs isn't the goal, right? The real question is, how do you turn all of that raw data into actual intelligence? And that brings us to the final, and you could argue most important piece of the puzzle, turning all that data into decisions through effective reporting. The whole goal is to synthesize everything we've collected into dashboards that give us clear, actionable insights for our security teams. And this image really illustrates that concept perfectly. And remember, reporting isn't a one-size-fits-all thing. It has to be tailored to the audience, from the analyst who's on the front lines to the executive in the boardroom. So, the crucial point to take away from all this is that monitoring isn't some single tool. It's a complete, multi-layered strategy. And we'll end with this thought. Effective monitoring creates this necessary tension between security and privacy. And finding that right balance, that's a challenge every single organization has to carefully navigate.